What if it was simple to use a regular pen and paper notebook while saving everything in the cloud, perfectly organized the way you want? And what if after you saved your notes in the cloud and filled your paper notebook, you could just erase it with the push of a button and use it again? That's not magic, that's the Rocketbook Wave Notebook. With the Wave Notebook and the Rocketbook app, you instantly blast your notes into the cloud using your mobile device. In a fraction of a second, Rocketbook Machine Vision scans, enhances, and sends each page to the specific destination they belong on the cloud services you already use. Each Wave Notebook page has 7 symbols. Set up the Rocketbook app to assign each symbol to a location within Dropbox, Google Docs, Evernote, or simply to your email inbox. Let's see how Jake has his set up. He marks the diamond symbol and the Rocketbook app sends the notes to his customer meetings notes in Evernote. When he's brainstorming, he marks the star symbol, which he decided are for the notes that belong in his ideas folder in Google Docs. Now that your notes are in the cloud, when your notebook is filled, there's no need to go buy another book or let used notebooks clutter your life. Here's how you can reuse your Wave Notebook multiple times with the mere push of a button. Take your notes using Friction Pilot pens, available at leading retailers. Friction Pilot ink turns clear under heat, and the Wave Notebook is specially designed to be microwave safe. That means you can clear your entire Wave Notebook in your microwave in the same amount of time it takes to make a cup of tea. When our specially designed thermal logo on the cover turns from blue to white, your Wave Notebook has been cleared and is ready to be reused. And with your notes in the cloud, an empty notebook has endless possibilities. The utility of the cloud and the joy of pen and paper. That's Rocketbook.
Our world has changed drastically over the past decade. With the advent of new technologies, we have seen a revolution in mobility. We can now run our lives from virtually anywhere. The problem? We all want to boost productivity, but how can we do it? Introducing Scan Wireless, the world's first wireless scanner mouse. Our product is small and portable and gives users more freedom than ever before. It's the ultimate solution for working anywhere with just a click. Everything you scan will display instantly on your computer screen. Work smart and increase your efficiency with Scan Wireless. It has the ability to scan tables and text in only a few swipes. You can even direct edit on your documents. Plan your romantic journey by using Scan Wireless. Just glide Scan Wireless over travel books and magazines and create the ultimate itinerary in a snap. Found something worth sharing with your friends? Simply swipe Scan Wireless over the area you like and share on your social media pages with a single click. Be an adventurous eater. Scan Wireless can help you to translate foreign languages and make sure you can try new things and actually know what they are. Scan Wireless can even organize everything for you. You can conveniently organize your most important notes and meeting minutes and store in Evernote.
Paper is the ultimate tool for thinking. It lets your mind roam freely without restrictions. It lets you focus without distractions. But if you love paper, you probably lose track of your notes, do lots of printing, and have a desk that looks like this. If this is you, then you're a paper person, just like us at Remarkable. We have developed a breakthrough solution for paper people. Meet Remarkable, the paper tablet. It lets you write, read, and sketch with an extraordinary paper-like feel. Unlike traditional tablets, Remarkable lets you replace your notebooks, sketchbooks, and printed documents without sacrificing the feel of paper. To make Remarkable as paper-like as possible, we developed the groundbreaking Canvas display. Traditional displays constantly radiate light through millions of luminous pixels. Canvas uses black ink particles to simply reflect natural light, making it wonderfully gentle on the eyes. In contrast to glass displays, its surface is matte and lightly textured. It even makes that familiar sound. Canvas display is built on ink rather than light. Electronic ink made up of millions of black particles, carefully controlled on a microscopic level. All powered by Remarkable's powerful processor for optimized control and precision. This makes text and pen strokes appear uniquely crisp, and with its second-to-none latency, it's the world's fastest digital paper. You've never experienced anything like the Canvas display. To complete the paper experience, we designed the marker from scratch. With tilt and pressure detection, the marker lets you direct precise movement, capturing your every gesture. It's wirelessly powered by the tablet. No recharging or pairing needed. You can even rest your hand on the display. Writing on Remarkable is the most paper-like digital writing experience ever. Make meeting or lecture notes, or simply gather your thoughts. But Remarkable is more than just notes. It's a note-taking system that lets you capture and organize your notes like never before, offering endless notebooks in one device. Remarkable even converts your handwritten notes into typed text, making them easy to refine and share. Reading on Remarkable is a distraction-free, paper-like experience, with no glare or backlight. Whether it's a book, textbook, or work document, capture your thoughts instantly by writing directly on the page. No more printing, no more carrying heavy books or documents. Sketching on Remarkable feels natural and familiar, and with digital tools, it becomes an even more powerful instrument for shaping ideas. For the first time, your workflow is all digital. All your work on all your devices, instantly. And you can use it for days without recharging. We designed Remarkable to help you focus. No email, web browsing, or social media. No disruptions, distractions, or notifications. Just you and your thoughts. An elegant tool for a smarter world. The device for paper people. Remarkable. Better paper, better thinking.
How many secrets do you carry around every day? Your wallet, your phone, and some little secret. Oh, no, not that. This secret. Besides the ones that need to be put in the safe, you must have some secrets you write down that require proper protection. Introducing Lockbook, the world's first writing notebook with a biometric fingerprint sensor. Lockbook comes with a 0.40 inch by 0.55 inch fingerprint sensor with 508 dpi resolution. The biometric fingerprint sensor allows Lockbook to recognize your fingerprint and unlock within 1 second. When it is locked, no one can even try to take a peek. You can bring it wherever you want to. Your office, conference room, client's office, or anywhere else. For an innovative notebook, the product design is also top-notch. To provide you with a better writing experience, we chose the top quality paper for the pages inside, possibly the best in the world. For long-term convenience, we use the binder design and provide you with different accessories, like refill paper, a hole puncher, pocket folders, sticky notes, etc. Be as creative as you want to design your own notebook. Now we need your help to deliver Lockbook to you. Please help us turn Lockbook into reality so you can put as many secrets as you want in your notebook.
If you want to deliver great content, you need a great workflow. The problem is that it's always a race against the clock. You plan, and you prepare, you shoot, and shoot, then you wait. And finally, you wait. What if you could regain lost time and start the finishing process the moment you get the last shot? With the new Narbox, let your work flow. Narbox 2.0 SSD is a rugged backup device for content creators who prefer to travel without a laptop. Unlike other portable hard drives, we have assembled an ecosystem of mobile applications that serve the professional workflow from the field to the studio. New to the Narbox experience is an onboard display and 4-button system, giving you the industry's fastest file transfers with custom folder trees and a checksum confirmation, without the need for a computer, phone, or tablet. For more control over your backups, use the new SafeKeep app to view connected drives, organize and rename folders, manage your auto backup settings, and even sync to Dropbox. In the Selects app, photographers have an optimized environment for fast file viewing and culling of thousands of raw photos. A simple set of tools let you rate and organize using EXIF metadata, preparing you for the edit at home in Lightroom. Using the Sequence app, you can now quickly play back high-res video, set edit in and out points, create bins, and even render files into ProRes. Any edit you start in the Sequence app can be exported as an XML project into Adobe Premiere or Final Cut Pro, bridging your workflow from the field to the studio. To make social content and stories easier when you're on the go, we've partnered with industry leaders LumaFusion and Adobe Lightroom CC to bring top-tier mobile editing experiences to our platform. The new Narbox system is supported by an Intel quad-core processor, 4 GB of RAM, up to 1 TB NVMe SSD, an SD card slot, 2 USB-C ports, and a replaceable battery. You'll be able to review 10 hours of 4K video, back up 36,000 photos, or move a terabyte of files on a single charge. Connect the micro HDMI to any monitor or TV and use the Showcase app to play back photos and videos in full resolution.